Hello everyone, so welcome back to our channel Video Hub, where we exploring the fascinating world of electronics. Today we are diving into the topic of Butterworth high-pass filters with noise. In the previous video, we have discussed about the topic of Butterworth high low-pass filter with noise simulation using the Falstad Circuit Simulator. If you are interested in signal processing and filter design, you are in the right place. So let's get started. First, what exactly is a Butterworth high-pass filter? Well, a Butterworth high-pass filter is a type of electronic filter designed to have a flat frequency response in the pass band. The high-pass variations allows higher frequency to pass through while attenuating lower frequencies. It's widely used in various applications from audio processing to telecommunications. I have already made a separate video on the Butterworth high-pass filters and Tenpole. You can check out in the same playlist also. Now, why Falstad? Well, Falstad is an excellent online circuit simulator that enable us to visualize and analyze electronic circuits in real time. It's user-friendly and offers a great platform for experimenting with different circuit configurations. And let's roll up our sleeves and start building our Butterworth high-pass filter circuits that is already here. You can see on your screen in Falstad that is given by default. So uh, don't worry, it's going to be an exciting journey. And now that our Butterworth high-pass filter is set up, let's take it a step further and introduce some noise into the circuit. This will allow us to observe how the filter responds to unwanted signals and better understand its noise rejections capabilities. And with everything in place, let's the simulation is already running. How Let me check that how the filter in action. Watch as Fastred provides real-time results, and we can analyze the output to gain insights into the filter's performance. The simulation results are in. You can check out here. This is an audio output, and we will discuss also key parameters and what they mean for practical applications. And about the circuit designing process, it's almost similar to the you can say this is simply a Butterworth high pass filters only with introducing a noise as an input here. So simply as I discussed in the Butterworth high-pass filter video, you can check out that the first one is the first capacitor, then inductor, then capacitor, then inductors, and the values will be you can say we can also calculate. And here we are using by default, so we do not need to calculate these values and verify it. So we have to just memorize these value. And so this is the principles that how the Butterworth high-pass filters simple Butterworth high-pass filter works, and its work with noise. This is the audio outputs. You can check out also using the circuits in passive filters, and then Butterworth uh, high-pass filter with noise. These all circuits are already discussed in my previous videos. You can also check out these in the same playlist of passive filters. Only these four are remaining. So the frequency range is already given here from 0 to 2400 hertz, and in which this let me show you this. If I able to make this a little bit high, give me a moment. Yeah, I hope it's clear to you now. You can check out here. So and there you have it, hands-on explorations of Butterworth high-pass filters with noise simulation using Falstad. I hope you found this tutorial informative and enjoying experimenting with the circuit. If you have any questions or want to see more content like this, let me know in the comments below. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for future updates. Until next time, happy experimenting. One more thing, If you require any type of assistance in your electrical and electronics project, then you can ping me a message on my WhatsApp number that is given in the descriptions, and also you can visit my Upwork and Fiverr profile. Thank you so much. Bye bye.